Alright, what's up, guys? I figured I'd make another video. This one, we're going to be talking about discontinued Woodstock chimes. I'm not going to play all of them here because look how many there is. There's 72. So, I'm only going to play the ones that are like my favorites here. So, obviously we have the parch, and there's a commercial. And the Lun. It's weird how they discontinued the two of the originals Woodstock chimes and kept the Olympus, but well, actually, I understand why they kept Olympus. It was the very first one. If they got rid of that, people would have got upset. And then we've got the newer Feng Shui lineup: earth, wood, water, metal, and fire. And then we've got the doo-wop chime. I really like the sound of it. Let's see. The graduation chimes, they're long discontinued. The princess, the Tudor Rose, princess and queen are discontinued. The West Side Story, the Chicago Blues. This right here, this is a chime I didn't even know existed. This is like the only video and picture of it that exists online. Really. Chimes of the Irish. And then there's the Shalom chime, the Rainforest chime, the Waltzing Matilda chime, which I have now, the chimes of Baja, and the Patagonia, the Cardinal Petals chimes. I really like the sound of this one. And
these are all
commercial.
puppies, but they eat, grow, and play differently.
I really like the sound of that one, as well as this one. Let's see, this is Zodiac. I really like these. As well as the second version of it, which is on YouTube. The Swan Lake. The Sign of Faith. The Batches 2 and 3. And then we've got the older Feng Shui lineup. There was one that was just called Feng Shui. And then there's four. There's Energy, Fortune, Imagination, and Peace. And then this, I never knew this existed right here. Until I looked at the website on the Wayback Machine. As well as that one. There's the Gazing Balls chimes. This one right here kind of sounds like the chimes of Neptune, the chimes of Ashkin. It's just missing one note. The Latin Trio. Now, I want to know, are the Latin Trio chimes what was later on called the chimes of Baja? Well, there's that one, but then this one. This sounds like the chimes of Baja. And there was no picture on the Wayback Machine, so I'd like to know if that's what they later on called the chimes of Baja. morning mood chime. Oops. Reflection sentiment chimes. Yeah, the yoga chime. This is another chime that came with a CD, like the soloist meditation chime. I didn't know there was more than one until I saw that. Let's see what else there is. This right here sounds, to me, it has the same notes as the Gregorian alto. What? All right. Sorry, my dad's here. I gotta hurry, my food's here. Santa Fe, Emperor chime. I didn't know they actually made an Emperor chime with, like, I know they made the ones with like the symbols, but not that one. America the Beautiful. That sounds like the Habitat chimes they make now. And then there's all those. The Four Seasons. That sounds like the Hummer chime and the Butterfly chime. Alright, that's it.